What if the reason you can't study for hours isn't because you're lazy, or stupid, or unmotivated? What if you've simply been using the wrong system? You sit down to study, open your book, read a few lines, then your phone vibrates. You check one notification. One notification becomes one video. One video becomes 30 minutes. And suddenly you're staring at the clock wondering, why can't I focus like everyone else? Here's the truth. You don't need more motivation. You need to understand how your brain works. Because once you stop fighting your brain and start working with it, studying becomes dramatically easier. So today, I'm giving you a simple system to train yourself to focus for hours without constantly feeling bored. And it starts with one rule. Stop waiting for motivation. Motivation is unreliable. Some days you'll feel powerful and ready to work. Other days, opening your textbook will feel like climbing a mountain. If your success depends on feeling motivated every day, you're giving your future to your emotions. Instead, create a fixed study time. Don't say, I'll study later. Say, at 7 p.m., I sit at my desk and study. No debate, no negotiation, just action. And when you don't feel like starting, use the 5-second launch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Move. Stand up, put your phone away, open your book, start. Why? Because procrastination becomes stronger when you give your brain time to negotiate. Maybe later. Just one video. I'll start after dinner. And suddenly the entire evening disappears. Don't negotiate. Launch. Now here's the second trick. Make the first step ridiculously easy. Don't tell yourself, I have to study biology. That's overwhelming. Instead say, I'll study 5 pages, or I'll answer 10 questions, or I'll understand one concept. Small targets reduce resistance, and once you start moving, momentum takes over. Think about pushing a heavy object. The first push is the hardest. Once it starts moving, continuing becomes easier. Studying works the same way. You don't need to feel ready. You just need to begin. Now we come to one of the biggest productivity killers, your phone. Your phone gives your brain instant entertainment every few seconds. Studying gives you a difficult problem that may take 10 minutes to understand. Which one will your brain naturally choose? The easier option. So don't depend on willpower. Change your environment. Put your phone in another room. Turn off notifications. Close unnecessary tabs. Keep your desk simple. Book, notebook, water, timer. That's it. Make your environment say, this is where we work. Now, don't think, I have to study for 10 hours. That sounds horrible. Instead, think in focused blocks. Try 90 minutes of deep work, then take a real break. Walk, stretch, drink water, then return for another focused session. During the session, focus on one objective. No social media. No multitasking. No constant checking of your phone. Just one task. And here's another secret. Stop studying passively. Reading the same page 5 times doesn't guarantee that you learned it. Close the book and test yourself. Ask, what do I remember? Explain the concept out loud. Answer practice questions. Teach it as if you're explaining it to a 10-year-old. If you can't explain it simply, you've found a weakness. Go back, fix it, try again. That's how you turn studying into active learning. And here's the final rule. Don't try to become a 10-hour student overnight. If you're currently studying for 1 hour, don't suddenly demand 10. Build your focus gradually. 1 hour, then 2, then 3. Your concentration is a skill, and skills can be trained. The goal isn't to sit at a desk for 10 hours just so you can say, I studied for 10 hours. The goal is to produce results. Ask yourself, what did I actually learn? What can I remember? What can I explain? What problems can I solve? That's real productivity. So here's your challenge. For the next 7 days, choose a fixed study time. Use the 5-second launch. Remove your phone. Break your work into small targets. Study in focused blocks. Use active recall. And track every completed session. You will have bad days. You will lose focus. You will procrastinate. That's okay. Don't turn one bad day into a bad week. Restart. Because discipline isn't about never failing. It's about returning to the path quickly. And eventually, something will change. You'll sit down, open your book, and begin without waiting for motivation. You'll realize that you don't need to become a different person overnight. You simply trained yourself to start. And that's where everything changes. Your ability to focus is an asset. Your ability to learn is an asset. Your ability to finish what you start is an asset. And these skills can follow you far beyond school. So the next time your brain says, "I don't feel like studying," don't argue. Don't wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Move. Open the book. Start the first question. Read the first page. Write the first sentence. You don't need to finish everything right now. You only need to begin. This is Student to CEO. And remember, don't wait until you feel ready. Train yourself to start anyway. Your future is being built by what you do today.